Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your project to your Google Classroom with the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to either to your home page, which is on the left side of the screen, or to the library where you can see all your projects. And to add some of your classes to Google Class, you just have to tap on these three buttons below the project that you want to add to your Google Class. And when you tap on the three dots, it's going to open up the profile of the class. And as you can see below the profile picture, you can see these three buttons: the invite, share, and Google Class. Now, if you want to add your project to your Google Classroom, you just have to tap on the Google Classroom and you can add it there. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.